Hi friends, today we came here to make 3 pyramids on this building. In 3 pyramids, 2 are 6 by 6, and now I am here. This is 12 by 12 feet pyramid. Along this pyramid, you can see 34 by 34. It is a mega pyramid in this temple. This is Shiva Sai temple. Here pyramid master Mallikarjun Rao sir already made this pyramid, and he made this 12 by 12 pyramid and the two 6 by 6 pyramids which are completed today. Thank you Patriji, thank you Babaji, thank you pyramid masters, thank you universe.